name is Dr. Esther Trufan, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate another way of performing your kinetics experiment. This time, we're going to lower the concentration of our bleach inside the solution by half, and we're going to fill the remainder of that volume with deionized water. So for today's experiment, we're going to have 3 liquids that we will be using. We're going to use the blue food dye that I already transferred into a beaker and the associated syringe. I will use my bleach, which I transferred into a beaker, and I have the associated syringe. And I will be using deionized water with the associated syringe. To collect my data, I will be using the vernier spectrometer, which I already connected to my iPad. And I will be using a cuvette. Now, inside this cuvette, I will first place my blue food dye solution, the water, and then I will place it inside the spectrometer, at which point I will add the bleach and commence my data collection. So let's set up our experiment. We go to Untitled, New Experiment, Absorbance versus Time Kinetics. Press that. We will need to set the wavelength at which our data will be collected. And because this is our blue food dye solution, we set that wavelength to 630 nanometers. We press done, and we are in data collection mode. We take our cuvette. We add to this 1.5 milliliters of our blue food dye. .75 milliliters of our deionized water. At which point we're going to take our cuvette, place it inside the spectrometer with the clear windows pointing towards the white arrow and the white light bulb. After this, we're going to extract 0.75 milliliters of our bleach solution. We have to be careful so that we don't count bubbles in our volume of bleach. Once we extracted the appropriate amount of bleach, we're going to place it in the cuvette, add the cap on top, and press our collect button to commence our data collection. From here, we're going to proceed the same way as we did when we used the 1-to-1 volume ratio of our blue food dye and bleach solutions, and we'll continue until our data set has the absorbance trailing off, and we have at least 3 or more values that are very, very similar, if not exact, and they're as low as they can possibly get. And using the time frame of our previous experiments, that will take at least 10 minutes.